I need to mail this package out. It's a return, and I'm going to return him too. He looks cute over there, but I want a gingerbread house. These are shoes, and I just know I'm not going to wear them. This is new. I bought him this weekend. I think he looks really cute over here by this tree. Today's a good day to wrap some Christmas presents. For this year, I bought this wrapping paper. I also have this one from last year. I want my presents to kind of blend in with the tree skirt I have under the tree. I've had this tree skirt for 10 plus years. I picked white to resemble the snow. Also, it matches the rug in my living room, and I like that since my house is small. It makes the space feel bigger. This is a reminder, don't forget to go buy your calendars for next year. I bought these two from the Dollar Tree. I mostly use this one for the kids. I hang it on my fridge. I like that it also comes with this notes section. This one I'm going to use for myself. It's to help me stay organized when I'm making my YouTube videos. I have my bows, my tape, my gift bags, my gift tags, tissue paper boxes ready to go. I also love this thing. It's for cutting the wrapping paper. It's a game changer. If you don't have one, you need to get one. I have a pretty good amount of red things to wear in December for the holidays. I could even wear this cozy white sweater. It's kind of a mess in here. This is where I keep my sweaters, in this drawer. I really love this black fuzzy sweater that my cousin gave me. I also have this sweater skirt. I encourage you to go put something cute and red on for December.